Okay, say Sunday, doing some more videos on different types of stocks, stocks day trading, swing trading, even position trading, penny stocks, you name it. All right, GOTU, Gaitu Tech Educational Company. This is a weird stock. This formed way back in 2019. This made a move up to 20 to 40. Nice move. Then it really exploded to 40, all the way up to near 140. Incredible move. And then you can see here, bounced pretty far down. And then a big move up to 120. Have to just drop down. Look at this right here. And then you have a dip, and then we came back up. Now I had this space down here. This is a gap down. People are not familiar with gap downs. A lot of time gaps will be filled. This didn't. This didn't even come up to the bottom of the gap of 80. Then went down. And then look at this. Big move up to 140. So we double topped right here. Came back down again. And then this came back hard at 80. Look at this. And then channel back and forth. A little bit of a move here to 35, then came back really bad. So this is putting some big moves up and down. The whole move here after this in January has been down. It's in a big downtrend. We've got down here to 10. This is at 3. The stock went to 140. I'm actually going to put a retracement, Fibonacci retracement here. So if you look at the retracement levels, all the way up here, this was as high as 149. And this came all the way back. Look at this. So if you want to get to 23.6 fibs, that's at 37. This is insane. What's going to happen with this stock? Let's look at the monthly. The monthly is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles. We finally have a green candle. Yeah, this might be at a bottom on the monthly. You're at 0.99. Can you get lower than that? That's amazing. This could be a bottom here. Weekly, this is absolutely dead since April. Look at this. You're staying flat at about 162. Now, if we start to move sideways, this move could be over for the downside. You got to confirm this, though. I wouldn't just jump in this. So this is one to look at, too. This could, eventually pull sideways and move up here. So watch for 3 to hold. If this does move short term, watch 4 to the 6 level into the gap. That's a crazy stuff there. GOTU. Ride. All right, Ride. This is Lordstown Motors. Yeah, this had news. I forget the news on this. That it was might have been bad, faulty accounting work or whatever happened with this. This has made many stops near 30, like a triple top, many times from September to January. Then this thing folded. This really went down hard with a lot of EV stocks. Did bounce towards 8 all the way to near 16. Then we came back again, this little wedge. Here we are again. We're at this 5 level, excuse me, 6 level, holding 591. Really oversold. Look at this. You get a weekly, and you have 6 straight red candles still diving down. See this red over white? That is bearish. 394 extremely oversold. It could start to bend sideways. You're looking for that next move. Weekly or monthly is really bad. Very oversold at that point. But if we start going this way, this could be in the next month, and then we can come up. I'll look for a move towards maybe 7-ish. You want this 591 to hold right now. So it's interesting chart. It's very oversold at this point. So I would keep an eye on that one. Not right away, maybe, but in the future. All right, Workhorse, WKHS. This is another one way back in June. This was like 5, 15, went to 30, pulled back nicely to the 15 level, then chopped and bounced hard up to 40 plus. Then here's the big drop on EVs, big drop down. Then this went to 10, got as high as this 18 level. And then we're back down to 10. This broke out of this wedge, but didn't get above the 20 and 13 EMA. Let's look at the weekly. Trying to cross up monthly. It's sort of like staggering here, not much doing. On this 10's got to hold. That's an important level. If it doesn't, back down to 8, maybe even test this level right here at 7. Now, if this does break up, I would look towards 11. Get above this curls up and gets over to 1320 EMA. Watch 12 plus on this. Maybe 15. Maybe we go back and forth like a W pattern. We'll see. And WKHS VIPs. This is a VIP Shop Holdings. This is some crazy stuff too. This was at 15 October. This raced up hard to 45, a straight run pretty much. Then got dropped hard. Look, they brought these candles. 1, 2, 3, about 4 candles. Dropped 45 to 30 in 4 days. We did bounce near 33, came down, formed this wedge. It broke out of the wedge, got slightly, above here, but then it crashed down hard again. So, watch this 1521 level. The monthly looks kind of interesting here. See this red over white, but it's kind of turning in now. It might dive down a little more deeper under 10, maybe 5 to 3. Might come back to 15 before I move up. The weekly, this is really straight down, this 20 over 13 MA. It's pretty much buried flat at 744. So on this, there's your key, this little candle here, this low, 1519. If we test it again or maybe double bottom, then we start to come up. And then eventually we could get back to this, maybe we'll say 20 and 22 level on VIPs. So we'll see how this turns out. So GOTU, watch that in the next few weeks, maybe a month. Something could pop with that ride, WKHS, EV stocks. I would watch them if you like the EV, electric vehicle space, and VIPs. Could eventually pop too within the next few weeks. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button, leave comments. Mike J Trades on Twitter, Mike Frank 98 on Instagram, and TikTok, Mike Frank II, and stock twits, Mike Cayman Alerts. I think I changed it to. So that is it for now. Peace.